Here I have Samsung Galaxy F23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button power saving. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can switch it here also, and you can manage some power saving options. For example, you can limit central processor speed to 70%. You can decrease brightness by 10%. You can turn off 5G, and you can also limit apps and home screen. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.